What's up, this is Lee Banks. Today we're going to work on the guns. We're going to start with biceps, and then we're going to finish off our workout with triceps. Weekly, sometimes I superset where I'll do bicep move and a tricep move, but this day we're going to just go straight through biceps and straight through triceps. First exercise is going to be easy barbell curls. Actually trying to hit this outer head. I alternate weekly with easy bar, close grip bicep curls, and regular straight bar bicep curls. Let's do it. Notice, because we're building, keep the reps down to 10 reps. I normally do 3 sets of these and go on to the next movement. Next exercise, we're going to do some alternate dumbbell curls. Notice on the first exercise, I had the close grip. Now we're going to make sure we turn our wrist outward at the top of the movement, to really hit that inner head. Let's do it. Again, 3 sets, 10 reps. Always turning that wrist at the top of the movement. Now to the next movement. All right, guys. One of my last exercises for biceps is dumbbell curls. I normally do in a strict movement, like on a preacher bench like this. Really strict. Reps can be around 5 to 8 reps. It's really about shaping the muscle, using heavier weight, and really concentrating on that squeeze at the top of this movement. Let's do it. Stretch. Squeeze. Stretch. There you have it. 3 sets, 3 exercises. Really concentrating on your form, and you'll get big guns like this. Peace. Now we got triceps, guys. This is one of my meat and potatoes for building triceps. Close grip bench press. I prefer to do it on the Smith, as I'm only trying to work my triceps. I want to keep them in that plane, so it's not a lot of balancing to get my chest and my delts into the movement. I normally do about 3 sets of these, 3 sets of 10, no more than 10 reps. Let's do it. you have it. That was my 4th set. Always remember, squeeze and engage your triceps at the top. Real good stretch at the bottom. Now on to the next exercise. All right, next exercise, I do one dumbbell extensions. Sort of like the close grip bench press, only hits a tricep different head. This one actually hits the upper head of your tricep and gives you a good opportunity to really stretch the full head of your tricep out. I usually do 3 sets of 10 of this also. Okay guys, you see I normally do 3 sets of 10, always pyramiding the weight up. Even if it's just 5 pounds, always pyramid the weight up on these exercises. Okay guys, my next exercise is machine dips. I alternate this weekly with regular dips. This week machine dips fall, and like I said, this exercise, 3 sets of 10, really concentrate on pausing at the bottom of the movement, the contraction, and let's do it. Have it. Like I said, this is more of a shaping movement, but dips has definitely got to be a signature part of your tricep training. Now on to our last exercise. All right, last exercise, cable press downs. I always alternate my grip from workout to workout. Today we're gonna do more of an underhand grip to hit the outer head of your triceps. And like I said, 3 sets, 10 reps. No, I actually go a little more reps in this one. About 15 reps to get the blood in there, and always up in the weight as you go. Let's do it. That's it guys, 3 sets, 15 reps, and by now, the tricep should be exploding. All right, wrapping up, we did arms today. Started with biceps, starting with the easy bar curl, close grip, 3 sets, 10 reps. Then we went on to alternate dumbbell curls, 3 sets, 10 reps, always remembering to spin that wrist. Last, we went to 1 arm dumbbell curls on the preacher bench. Same thing, 3 sets, 10 reps. Usually I go a little lower reps on that one, sometimes 5 to 8. The really heavy weight to really shape my biceps. On from there, triceps. I started with close grip bench press on the Smith machine to really stay in that range, that form, and keep it moving and keep the tension on my triceps. Then we went to the dumbbell extensions, Same thing, 3 sets, 10 reps, increasing the weight with each set.